Welcome to another video. This week I have a special announcement to make, which is that I have officially partnered with the Indie Film Music Contest to host a free class on film scoring right here on YouTube. The Indie Film Music Contest is a special film composing competition that aims to give beginner composers a better chance at competing against more seasoned professionals. The judges don't consider the overall sound quality of each submission as part of their evaluation. Instead, they focus on evaluating the creative ideas that each competitor comes up with to help tell the story of their film with music. This means that you don't need to have thousands of dollars worth of sound libraries and plugins in order to stand a chance of winning the competition. All you need is a good imagination and a creative but effective way of supporting the film's story with your music. To make things even better, this is one of the only competitions out there where the judges offer individualized and personal feedback to any competitor who submits a soundtrack, all to help make sure that everyone who competes gets to grow and develop their craft as a composer. So even if you don't walk away with one of the 9 prizes that are offered, you still get to walk away with something of value. Registration is currently open with the deadline to submit your final soundtrack set for July 28th. As I mentioned earlier, I have partnered with the good folks over at the IFMC to help create a free class on film scoring for anyone who's interested in participating. The class will consist of a series of live streams where I teach you how to compose a soundtrack while scoring one of the 2 videos available for the competition. Over the course of a few weeks, I will teach you everything that you need to know about film scoring, including how to study a film to find out what your music needs to accomplish, how to identify important characters, themes, and emotions that need to be portrayed with the music, how to compose themes that capture the different characters, worlds, and emotions in the film, how to spot each scene to find the best hit points, how to use your spotting notes and thematic sketches to write a full soundtrack, and much, much more. The advantage of teaching these lessons in a live stream format is that I'll be able to answer each of your questions in real time while I'm scoring the film. The first stream will begin tomorrow, May 23rd at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So if you're interested in participating, use the link below to register for the competition. A special coupon code has been made for everyone who watches this video. You can use the code TABLETOP to save 10% on your registration fee. Once you're registered, watch both of the films available for the competition, and then head over to my Instagram page to vote on which video you'd like to see me score for the class. As always, feel free to share any questions you have in the comments below, or you can send me an email at tabletopcomposer@gmail.com. So until tomorrow, keep studying, keep working hard, and keep writing new music, my friends. I'll see you in the first stream.